Guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the three-piece Y connection. This is formula. Piece voltage or B piece is equal to B line voltage over square root of 3. For line current or I line is equal to I phase or phase current. Legend. B piece is equal to piece voltage. B line is equal to line voltage. I line is equal to line current. I phase is equal to phase current. Three-piece delta connection. Formula. I line is equal to square root of 3 times I phase. For line voltage or E line is equal to E phase or phase voltage. Legend. I line is equal to line current. I phase is equal to phase current. E line is equal to line voltage. E phase is equal to phase voltage. Bible verse of the day. Sa book of 1 Peter chapter 2 verse 2. As a newborn babes desire the sincere milk of the word, that ye may grow thereby. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.